Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from FMCPay to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT seamlessly between platforms, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Why do this? Well, Binance offers more trading options, and with 2025's evolving crypto landscape, efficiency is key to maximizing your assets. First off, ensure you have verified accounts on both FMCPay and Binance. Security is paramount, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms before starting. Step 1. Log into your FMCPay account and navigate to the wallet section. Locate your USDT balance. That's your Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to USDT. You'll need to select the right network, like TRC20 for speed and lower fees, but always check what's compatible with Binance to avoid any hiccups. Step 3. Switch over to Binance. Log in, go to your wallet, and find the deposit option for USDT. Copy the deposit address carefully. One wrong digit could mean lost funds. Step 4. Back on FMCPay, paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check the details, and review any transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion in 2025, so plan accordingly. Step 5. Hit confirm and authenticate with your 2FA if prompted. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Once complete, head back to Binance and verify that your USDT has arrived in your wallet. Pro tip: keep an eye on gas fees and always use reputable exchanges to stay safe in the crypto world. There you have it, a simple, secure transfer process for 2025. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.